Hi guys, hope you're well. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you never have to struggle with traffic again. If you're promoting Clickbank offers, if you're promoting any offer, I'm going to tell you how you don't have to struggle with traffic ever again right now, and that is paid traffic. But before you click off the video and think, oh, paid traffic, but it costs money and it's always way more expensive than what you make, bear with me. I am conducting a special webinar this Monday, so do check out the link below. It's called the Paid Traffic Made Easy, and I'm going to show you specifically an ad platform that gets really high quality traffic, where you can generate leads, you can generate sales, and you do not have to spend the earth in order to do it. Furthermore, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, and I'm going to show you how I'm actually doing it, so then you can just do the same. You can just set it all up and do the same. And the reason you'll want to be on is if you're promoting Clickbank products. So let's say you go and promote, let's say you go and get a product from Clickbank and you want to promote it. One of the biggest downfalls, as you probably know, is sending traffic. You can do it for free, but it requires a lot of energy, a lot of time, and it works. You know, sending traffic for free, it absolutely works. But most people, 80% of affiliates, I would guess, give up, because it's hard work generating social media, it's hard work building it up, and you have to stay very consistent, and you end up giving up. This will allow you to actually send traffic. Maybe you're interested in building automated funnels. So we're going to go through this in the webinar, but we know, okay, that once you've got a good product, and as long as you've got some way of collecting leads, okay, I'll show you that in just a second, but some way of actually collecting opt-ins, okay, so I'll just show you. Okay, so this is one of my opt-in pages that I'm doing a case study for with a product from Clickbank, and it collects leads. Really basic. It converts, okay, so it's getting leads. I'll show you that in just a second. And we know that if you've got a product from Clickbank and you're promoting it and you've got good information, so as long as you've got a standard funnel, just something to actually give them really good information, and you set that up and you start getting targeted traffic, what happens? You get leads, okay? You get people signing up, clicking the button and entering your funnel. That will then look like this, depending on what autoresponder you're using. I'm using Aweber. I've used it for years, really good. I've grayed out the names and the email addresses, obviously, but this is from, the majority of this is from paid traffic. There is quite a lot also from free traffic as well, so I'm actually using both. But just to stick with the paid traffic, these leads come in, and once you've got a lead and once you're giving them good information, you've got them forever, as long as you keep up a good relationship and as long as you're, you know, sending them cool stuff, and a percentage of them will go through and buy the product as long as it's a half decent product, okay? And that's it. Once you can do that, you can set up as many funnels as you want. You can scale it slowly. I just want to talk about some of the questions that come up. So when we're talking about sending paid traffic, the biggest question that comes up, or the biggest concern, is low budget. Okay, I haven't got the money to start using paid traffic. I'm going to show you in this webinar, it's actually a bonus I've put on here, how you can start with just $3 a day and build it up. You're not going to get an incredible amount of traffic for $3 a day, but I'm going to show you how you can start that small and start building it up. You do not need to spend a huge amount of money. Okay, in fact, the ad platform I'm going to show you has a lot of coupons on it where you can get really great deals where they actually give you free traffic. So there's no problem if you've been put off because of the money. Look at it this way: if you're trying to make money with Clickbank, if you're trying to make money promoting offers, a lot of people spend years doing this stuff and never getting anywhere. And how much money are they losing through not making any sales and bouncing around? Far better to spend a bit of money, even starting at $3 a day, build it up, start getting some sales, build a list that will serve you for years to come, that you can offer other products to, offer free help, and so on, okay? All that you're missing, most people, is the traffic, is the targeted traffic. I'm going to show you in this webinar how to set up Microsoft ads for profits right from the start. So that's the ad platform. I'm going to show you how to research keywords and how you know which are the best converters. Really important to get a high quality score as well, otherwise you'll be paying a lot per click. I'm going to show you how to write your ads for a super high click-through rate, how to read the stats, and how to expand and scale your ads. In fact, check out the link below. It will send you through to this page and there's a video guiding you through the whole thing. Now, really important, this is going live on Monday at 10 AM. I'll just give you the right date. So it's going live on Monday, November the 9th at 10 AM EDT. It will be fully recorded as well, but it is limited to 30 people. I know that is a ridiculously small amount of people, but I'm just looking to take a small group, show them how to do this so it doesn't get flooded. So if you want a spot, I think there's about 14 spots left, maybe a bit less. So if you want a spot, do grab it below and it will show you exactly how to make paid traffic easy and how to get results with it and how to get leads so you don't have to worry about the grind. I recommend that you use free traffic and paid traffic to double your efforts, but if you just wanted to do it completely hands-free, this will definitely help you with it. There's a full guarantee on the webinar. Do get in. Main frequently asked questions, so you don't need a lot of money to get started. You can start with $3 a day and build it up slowly. I recommend about $5 a day. Number two, probably another really big question comes in, is reading your stats. And all being confusing, or optimizing ads, or how to set up a funnel. I'm going to cover in the webinar how to cover your bases on that and how to make sure that you know how to do that so you won't be left in the dark. So if you're concerned about, I don't know how to make a funnel, I don't know which product to promote, I am going to touch on that in the webinar and make sure that you know how to do that. And you get full support as well. So after the webinar, if there's any questions, you'll get the replay. Let me know if there's any questions and I can help as well. The third question probably that comes up is, this is for people that are experts, okay? And that's not the case. People that are experts, of course, they're going to find it easier, but people that are experts started out just like you. You do not need to be an expert. You do not need to spend more than you have, and you can get started slowly. And far better this than spend years jumping from thing to thing, automated software that's spam all around the web. I'm not saying there's no value in it, but I am saying this. If you can get paid ads to work for you and you can turn a profit, i.e. you're spending less on the ads than you make per sale, that is the whole key of what you're doing online, whether you're doing anything, okay? So whether you're doing Amazon sites, Clickbank sites, whatever you're doing, your own products, the key is to spend less on the advertising than what you make per sale. And I'll show you exactly how to do that, how to make sure that you've got your sums done so you can see all the sums that you have to do. Really easy. You just work out what the product pays and how much you can spend on ads. And then I'll show you how to make the keywords and research the keywords so you have really closely knit ad groups that will work for you. And I'll show you how you can start generating leads, and I will also touch on how do you turn those leads into sales. And once you can do that, you can set as many of these up as you want. So do join us. The link's below. I'd love to have you. I think you'll really love it. If you don't, I'll give you a full refund. That's how positive I am that you'll get something from this. Use the stuff in the webinar. It comes with full support. Join us because it's happening on Monday. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching and hope to see you on the webinar.